French with me. We're going to learn a few words and a few sentences to learn to speak French, just to have a basic conversation. So let's get started and look at our first word. The first word is to learn. In French, it's apprendre. Apprendre. A is pronounced as A in French, so it's apprendre. Next word is to speak. Parler. To speak is parler. The last letter R is silent, so it's parler. The next word is French. The language French is called français. Français. So yen is a little silent. It's français. And then the next word is with. With is avec. A is pronounced as A, so it's avec. And the next word is me. Moi. Avec moi is with me. Parlez français avec moi. We've learned apprendre, to learn, parler, to speak, français, French, avec, with, moi, me. Speak French with me. Parlez français avec moi. À bientôt is to see you soon. See you soon in my next video. And we're going to learn another new sentence.